Hello everyone. Today I will show you about the Sumifs functions. Sumif functions is one of the math and trig functions as or its argument that meet multiple criteria. Syntax: sum is sum rank, criteria rank 1, criteria 1, criteria rank 2, criteria 2, etc. So sumifs are used to sum with condition and non-conditions. So in this, I will show you about the sumif with non-condition. As you have known the syntax formula, sumif sum ranks. So we would like to sum the total cells. So sum rank is the total cells. Yes, we need to put F4 in order to put the dollar signs, criteria rank 1. Criteria rank 1, we want to sum total cell by products. So criteria rank 1 is the products. So we need to select all the products and click F4 for the last sign to keep the cell stable, no move. And then criteria 1. The criteria 1 refer to the sum of products. So we need to select the criteria 1 is product. And this means that we have no conditions. So we close only this and enter. If there is no more condition, we close and enter. Okay. So the total product A, the total set product A are enclosed. So calculation this amount. So this amount is equal to this amount. So our formula is correct. So now I will show you about the sum if with conditions. So sum if with condition, we will sum the total sales amount with condition of discount. Discount here refer to 5% and 10%. So here only 5 and 10%. So we can use sum if with condition by sum if sum ranks mean that we would like to sum all the sale amount USD the same as the total sale formula. So we click F4 to put dollar signs and criteria rank. Criteria rank we would like to sum by product also. So we select by products and criteria rank ones. So the criteria rank ones is product and then the criteria rank 2. The criteria rank 2 we would like to sum with condition of discount 5%. So criteria rank 2 is discount ranks. And then criteria rank 2. The criteria rank 1 is the product. Right now the criteria rank 2 is the discount percentage. So we select this and put F4 for dollar signs in order to keep the formula stable with this second condition. And we close enter. So right now we have got the formula. Okay, so mean that 5% discount by product in the sale amount as enclosed. The next, we would like to find the 10% discount or sale amount by product. So sum if sum ranks the same as previous. Yes, and the same as previous and the same and criteria rank 2. Criteria rank 2 is discount percent. So we need to select and criteria rank 2. Criteria rank 2 is 10%. Enter. So the total of 10% by sale amount by product as enclosed. So totally these 5% and 10% equal the total amount here. So here the same, the total quantity, the total sale amount is equals. So mean that our formula is correct. So right now I would like to show you about the sale amount USD by percentage and by region based on the salesman. So we can based on the salesman or based on the products. We can based on the product or based on the salesman. It still be similar the product. So sum ranks, okay, dollar signs, and then criteria rank ones. Criteria rank one is not the product right now. It based on the salesman. So criteria rank one here is the salesman. We select the salesman ranks and put the dollar sign F4, commas, and then we need this, and then we would like to see the criteria rank 2. The criteria rank 2 is referred to the region. So we need to select the regions. We put the dollar signs and look for more criteria 2. The criteria 2 is the region. So we select the regions and put dollar signs and criteria rank 3. Criteria rank 3 we would like to sum by percentage also. So we select rank of discount. Commas. And then we see the criteria rank 3. Criteria 3. Criteria 3 is the discount amount. So we select the discount amount and put F4 for dollar sign and we enter. So the total amount of sale amount by salesman, by discount, and by region as enclosed. So our formula is running. In this means that our formula is not correct because of what? Look for together here. So mean that our total here is not put dollar sign. So look for the problem error because here right now the cell rank is not covered. So we need to find which one is the problem and we fix this problem. So we look for our formulas. Which one is has no dollar signs? Where? The C. So mean that the C here is no dollar sign. So we need to fix the problems. Yep. Enter. And we are running the total cell. So our formula is correct or not? Look for together. Okay. So why Steven with 5% there is no? Stevens, look for Steven. Steven is south. So if we put Steven is south, here is west. If we put south, okay, it is so. Monica. Where's the Monica? No, Monica is here. If we put south, it will some amount for us or not? It not even it is the region in south, but the percentage is 10. So right now percentage is only 5. If we put 10, it will show the formula. So right now it's only 5. So if we change the Steven to, sorry, if we put the Monica to only 5%, it will show the total amount. Because we sum the amount of sale amount only discount with 5%. So Lucy, look for Lucy. Lucy in the south with 5%, don't have, so 0. Look for Robin. Robin is the south with 10%, so there is no. So we can change to 5, it will sum for us. So same together, we just running the formula 2 here, it will sum all the function. But right now here, why there is no the sum amount shown? Because all the problem with our formula. So look for our formula. What is the problem? our formula still stable with only the south region. It's not running to the east and west nurse. So the problem is because the last sign is the problem. So we have to fix the problem by before running. So we have to check. Yep. So what is the problem with J column? We need to J column is not stable when we want to calculate east in the K column, west in the L column, nurse with the M column. So we need to fix the problem with this J. We don't want to put the dollar sign because the dollar sign is the stable signal to keep the cells still be the same. So we have to delete dollar signs. Yeah, we need to delete dollar signs all. Yeah, and we need to delete all dollar sign in the J column. Here also. Yeah. Yes. And look together. What is the problem like more? So the cell man is in I column. So make sure I column are not running. It still be keep stable. So we have to put dollar sign in front in the left side of the letter. And here also. Yeah. Yeah. And this also. And this also. Yes. And then please run the formula. Okay, if it shows us why is nurse there is no. So look for nurse. Nurse only 10%. There is no nurse that is in the 5%. So we can change nurse Monica to 5%, and then the formula will running here. We can change Jackson to 5%. Jackson to nurse. It will show the formula also. Okay. So total just only sums. Yep. So running. Control D. Okay. So our formula is only this amount. So mean that the 5% there is only totally 898,000 US only. So how about the 10%? We can change only here to 10% if we calculate again. Yes, we can change to 5% if we calculate the 5% amount. We change to 10%, we calculate the 10%. So this is the function used by Sumifs. Hope you enjoy it. Please comment for more questions. I will reply you. Thank you.